morning everyone. My name is Sagarkan Pratpakar and today's topic name is array. Normally array is a collection of similar types of element has a continuous memory locations. In a Java, array is an object is an object which is are contain elements similar data types, and additional element of this array mm, are sorted in a continuous memory locations. In our data structures we store the similar elements. We can store only a fixed set of element in a Java array. In an array we can index a base. First element can be sorted in 0 position, and second element started on the 1 position, and third element second positions. This is the R we can use for the array. In a Java array is as object are dynamically generated classes. The Java arrays inherited the object classes and implemented a serialization and clonable interface. We can also store the primitive and object in this Java in a array in Java. Moreover, the Java provides the feature of anonymous array we cannot available in a C or C++. In a Java, is 10. Length of Java is array is 10. The starting index with 0, end with main index it is end. This is the R length of the array. The advantage can be ordered we can use for the this code is optimizations. Can we make the optimization code, we can retrieve and sort the data efficiently, and randomly access we can get the any data is located in the index position, we get the randomly access. Disadvantages for the array. The most disadvantage for the array is the size limit. We can generate the array, and we can set the size of array. We cannot change the size of the array, the fixed size of the array. We can change the size array, we can create the new array. This is the main disadvantage for this array. There are two types of array. First array is a single dimensional array, and second array is a multi-dimensional array. Single dimensional array with syntax is data types array, arrays symbols, then array, or another is the data types array or symbols. Data types array, variable name, and array. These are three types of the array. The initialize array in Java, we can array a reference variable array, new data types and size. This is the new can create the array we can use. Then for example we create the array for 5 size. We can create the first 5 size. Then int array a is equal to new int, and this is size. This is all we can use for the size. Then in first index we can use 10, second index we can use the 20, third index we can use for the 70, third index we can use for the 40. This is the array, and we can sort the array. We can find the sort the array, and print is just we can use for the for loop. I is equal to 0 and I is less than a dot length and I plus plus the system dot println is array. When declarations and initialization in Java in an array. In an array int curly braces 33 point brace curly braces 34 5. This is the R we can use for this array. The for each loop we can for Java array. We can also print the Java array using for loop. For each loop, in Java for each loop we print the array element one by one and hold the array element in a variable, then execute the body. For data types variable curly an array, we can body this array. This is about the for loop for the array. The passing array to use for the method use for Java. We can access the Java. We can pass the Java from method that we can reuse the some logics of the in array. We can use for the Java array. The anonymous in Java is supported. This is Java supported feature in anonymous array. You do not need to declare the array with using the passing the array up to method. This can passing the method. Then we can use for writing array from method, returning array from method. This is the all about from the array. Thank you.